Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to fix happy birthday shoutout feature not available on Instagram story problem. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So as you know that Instagram has a feature where you can get happy birthday shoutout on your story. But if you're not being able to find it, then here are a few things that you can try. But before that, let me guide you on where to get this feature. So go ahead and open up your Instagram application first, and once the app opens up, just slide left to access the camera. Once you're on camera, tap on create option right here. Now all you need to do is slide left to get on this icon right here, the message like icon, and there you go. Here you have the happy birthday shoutout. But if the feature is missing on your phone, then what you can do is head to your Google Play Store or an App Store and look if any new update is available on Instagram. So just open up your Play Store and search for Instagram, and if any update is available, then you can go ahead and update the application and make sure that you're using the latest version of the application. Once the application is updated, open the Instagram app once again and then look for the feature. But if the feature is still missing, then the next solution is to use VPN. So you can use any preferred VPN that you like, simply connect to the VPN and reinstall the application once again. After you've done this, I'm pretty sure that your problem will be solved. So that's it. So I really hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.